3 steps to build a passive income empire. Have you ever dreamed of living life on your terms with money pouring in while you sleep? Hey, legacy builders, I'm Ekow, and I was able to quit my investment banking job in 5 years because I built passive income. In this video, I will teach you 3 steps you can take to build a passive income empire right now in South Africa. So subscribe to this channel for more content like this. If you follow these steps, it's inevitable that you are going to be very wealthy if you put in the work and get it done. So, what is passive income? Passive income is the income that flows into your pocket regularly even when you are not actively working. This type of income can be generated from various sources such as rental properties, royalties, investment, or successful businesses. So, step 1 to creating a passive income empire is the 70-30 rule. The 70-30 means leave off 70% and the other 30% that's left over, you will do 10% giving, 10% debt, and 10% investment. For example, if your take-home pay is $4,000 a month, then you are going to leave off $2,800, give away $400, pay down debt by $400, and invest $400. I will show you what you are going to invest in. So, 10% for charity. This is probably the most important one. It opens you up to make more money because if you are doing good for others, it's really hard to feel guilty about money. If you are not able to give money, then put in time instead. But you got to do some good things if you really want to build a passive income empire. The other 10%, we are going to pay down our personal debt. This is extra payment on your debt. So if you are paying $100 a month towards a credit card bill, then you will take that $400 extra and pay that debt off. The other 10% goes into investment. And I know there are probably people out there that are like, but Ekow, I barely make it, etc., etc. I know you are going to work hard and you are going to either increase how much you are making or you are going to cut back on expenses. And you are going to quit buying stuff that you cannot afford so you can live within your means. I know it's easier said than done, right? No, I've been there. I've lived in a 3-bedroom flat with 6 people for so many years. So guys, I know what it's like to live really cheap. But the whole reason you are doing that is so that eventually you don't have to work hard. Your assets will take care of you, and that's your passive income goal. If I can do it, so can you. Okay, the last 10%, invest it. In fact, the most important thing you could do is every time you get a salary, take 10% off it and put it in an investment account. I don't care if you open up a 32 days notice, a fixed deposit, money market, or trading account. It doesn't matter. Put 10% in there and pay it like it's a bill. If you are done with the giving, like you are giving your time so that you don't have to worry about giving money, then lower that one down to pay your debt. If you pay off your debt, lower that one down too. So eventually, you are going to be investing 30% of whatever you take home as a bare minimum, consistently. If you need more advice with this, then book my free consultation at propertyaskeko.com. Assuming you have laid down the foundation and you now have 30% of your take-home pay to invest. Step 2 to building a passive income empire is creating different streams of income. Diversification, as it is called, in the context of investment means spreading your money across a range of different assets rather than putting all your funds into just one. It's a strategy to reduce risk and helps you create a more balanced and resilient investment portfolio, increasing the probability of some investments performing well even if the others don't. So, instead of investing all your money in one single place, it is important to spread out and invest in different income-generating assets like real estate, bonds, stock, and maybe even start a small online business and see your financial life change. Step 3 is managing your money. First, create an emergency fund with enough savings to cover 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This is your financial cushion for unexpected expenses, ensuring you do not have to tap into your investment when life throws a curveball at you. And practice regular review of your investment to make sure that they are aligned with your financial goals. Invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless, for a rainy day, and reinvest that money you earn from your investment. And don't forget to budget. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button so that together we can spread this video to other people and hopefully help them as well. Each one, teach one. God bless. Peace.
Be a legacy builder and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.